Our first video we had talked about the trends, showed you the trends. Welcome back to the second video. Second video will be talks about how yeah, why forex and all that. So initially there were just banks. What do I mean banks? Just large institutions. So large institutions were busy trading, but trading. I'm sure you've heard people talking about smart money. Some people talk about what else? Smart money. Smart money. They talk they talk about the big banks. They talk about like they make it sound so mysterious, yeah. So back in the days before many of us were born, guys had to guys were trading, big banks were trading, but they had to trade without traders. Who is a retail trader? For those ones who have been in the markets and they don't know but have an idea of trading, retail trader is you who work with a broker. Um, you put a small $100, $50. The few people who put $10, you put it in a broker so that you can get leverage to trade. You are the so back in the day, banks didn't have traders, so they had to make something they call an algorithm that will help move to the upside, to the low side. What ICT keeps talking about, the algorithm, like previously when rallying up and up and up and up, he tweeted probably feels like changing the algorithm. That algorithm basically means that these large institutions go with it. When it's going up, they're in it. Up. When it's going down, they're in it. Dipping. Yeah. Um. Now that we have that under our way, so there are two people or entities that really, at the moment it's the large institutions, smart money banks versus retail traders. Yeah. So before the retail traders were in, it was just the smart money large institutions were trading. So with the help of the broker that comes in as the middleman and include prop firms as brokers, yeah, they are the middleman. I feel like I said it's not for new guys, but I'm starting like from the basics. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Ideally, yeah, there are prop firms as middlemen and brokers as middlemen, and it's retail traders versus smart money. Yeah, ideally, before anything happened, yeah, when brokers got in, the large institutions needed a way to help guys know how to trade. And I'm doing air quotes when I'm saying help, yeah. For that, they engineered trading materials. They had to send out large amounts of information. They gave this information to brokers to distribute to the retailers so that they can learn, and I'm doing air quotes, learn how to trade. So they can see some institutions advertise, oh, you can trade with us. Then they give you learning material on how to trade and all that. Yeah. So ideally, yeah, they engineered all this stuff. Then they look for ways to entice guys to come into the into the markets. When you come to the markets with your small money, where you got your knowledge from the brokers, I told you, who you don't know about. You know about all this. Hence, there was those how can I say? Hence, there's those learning material where you learn about bottom, falling wedge, name it. Yeah? Learn about all that. You learn about trend lines. I even brought trend line here in video one if you follow. Yeah, trend line. There's this one. So learn how to draw this trend line. It should be touching all the wicks. Yeah, and when it gets to the wick, you're supposed to short it. Where you take profit. Because even if you short it here, if you actually wanted to wait till here to take your profit, yeah, ideally you would have to have a like a very big stop loss. And I don't know what kind of risk reward you will be using to enter such a trade, because this is a very very big to get this profit. Yeah, you want to do, I'm guessing. Anyways, actually it's and ideally you wouldn't get it perfectly here. Maybe you would have entered it here somewhere. Yeah. So ideally, it was a mad world. So the the large institutions got the brokers and the prop firms to share with you learning material, so you get to know how to trade. Then you throw yourself in the markets because you know the law in trading: buy low, sell high. That is the law in trading. It doesn't matter if you're doing large pips, small pips, over leveraging an account, doing high frequency trades, it doesn't matter. As long as you don't buy low and sell high, you mess, you're gonna go bust in your account and all that. Yeah? And the goal is not to go bust. So, how do you not go bust? First, I'll tell you this: these materials. If you don't have them, please you can go research. Trading patterns. Yeah, these patterns, everyone should know these patterns. If you're a beginner and all that, if you are not a beginner, I was talking ascending, descending. Okay, didn't say staircase, I said the triangle, symmetric triangle, there's a flag, double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, rounded top, cup and handle, all this what you call the ascending staircase, because like it's not big, yeah. That's why it's called the staircase. The triangle, now you'll actually draw a triangle, and this now these guys are telling you this is where you trade, but your point of entry is supposed to be when it breaks out, comes back in. You're supposed to enter here. Really, you will not get told by this, and some of this learning material you will not really understand when you're supposed to enter your trade. This, okay, why the hell did that happen? Now this has already happened, yeah. This has already happened, yeah. So you're told you're supposed to short here. Yeah, you're not supposed to short here. You're supposed to wait this move to come down. When it's coming back, you'll enter over here. Yeah, stop loss can be like over here to make things easier for you, not like somewhere here. This is too much of you. Stop loss too much. Same case when it comes to this one, yeah. You're told here, but you're supposed to enter when you see a test on this trend line. That's when you're supposed to enter. But they won't tell you that. Break trade out, trade breakout. But they don't tell you when to enter this trade. A large majority, see, oh, they're telling you it happened. Let me check. Let's do another reach. go to another one. See if they tell you how to enter. G is the broker. Remember that, yeah. So ideally, they should be able to tell you this is where you're trading. I'll not talk about candlesticks like I told you. There are things that are already there, so you need to know them. Yeah, all this is all about the candlesticks. I'm not teaching. I hope this is not just about candlesticks. It has some patterns. Nope, candlesticks. And this is a broker, by the way, the IG. Yeah? Broker is supposed to inform you before you get to the market and start trading. Let's go to our big man, the one I even used to analyze the markets. Uh, 20 trading patterns. There's the diamond, lime wire, double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, ascending wedge, descending wedge, bullish flag, bearish flag, megaphone, pentan. There's all of that, right? So on this picture, it just tells you this falls, head and shoulder, then it falls. This is inverted head and shoulder, double top, double bottom, lime wire, descending, all that, yeah. Here, wait for opportunity, never fear of missing out. Set stop loss. At least they're giving you this. They're telling you really how to trade. Are they? Are they? Yeah, there's the Elliott wave, cheat sheet. But is it really informative? Is it telling you this is how you're actually going to do it? Yeah. They call it a cheat sheet. Yeah. What are you getting from them? Yeah. What cheat? And what's trading you? Thanks for sharing. Thanks, mate. Forgot to mention another critical factor of these patterns, yeah? You don't want to see patterns and blindly take the signals, for example, bullish, blah, 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 compared to success. So, where's the information about getting into a trade, getting out of a trade? Where they're telling you this is what happens, but are they telling you do this when this happens? Even in videos on what's this called? Social media apps. You'll see them showing you patterns and showing you how it moves, but you don't know when to enter, how to enter. And this is just the base of it. Yeah, this is the head and shoulder. You're told on the neckline, then it leap to whatever. Yeah? But when do you enter that trade? This is the bottom. When do you enter? At least this one they've shown you. When it comes back here, so this is the best point for the entrance. As for this, they haven't shown you. And when it comes to this, haven't shown you when you're going to enter. Same goes to all the other patterns that you'll be seeing. Where will you enter? Yeah. What if it keeps going down? What confirmation are you seeing? Symmetric triangle. Yeah. Inverse and handle curve. Yeah. You see. So when do you enter this neckline? They really tell you. No, they hide it like a secret. Hide it. Okay. Adam and Eve. Yeah. Then go up. But you have to wait for the big test. Yeah. Not just jump in. Ideally, yeah, that's all the patterns. Let me look for something good in Google.com. I think I could change Q trading but anyways, what Google's brings to our eyes. Okay, these are ideally pictures. So when you look at this is trading computers. Okay. Stock patterns. It doesn't matter. It works in stocks, it works on futures, it works on crypto, yeah. Get these pictures, these videos, red flag, bull flag, inverted H and S, double top, all that. These pictures, but you seeing enter here. where you're supposed to, where are you seeing it? This is where you're supposed to enter. Where are you seeing it? They don't tell you that. Yeah, this is just for the start. Yeah, I've not started going in depth of things like you can see that the bullish words, boop, it breaks away. The trend line is broken. Entry. Yeah? You can see all of this give you, and I'm doing air quotes, they give you all that information. How do you know when to? How do you know when to exit a trade? How? What? It's becoming more complex as you get going. But ideally, you're supposed to understand all those chart patterns and all that. And look for the patterns, there's continuation patterns, there's reversal patterns, there's neutral chart patterns. You'll hear people talking about the daily bias, you'll hear people talking about, pardon me, I was yawning. You'll hear people talking about the daily bias. You'll hear people not talking mostly about when there's no daily bias. Even videos on QM, what QM is Quasimodo, a type style of trading. There's videos about that system of trading. Tell you what to do, tell you how to do it, and when you should be. As you can see, even this dash not telling you how you're going to continue this trade. Yeah, this is a continuation. As you can see, price was rallying up, came down, and went ahead rallying up again. Woo! Anyways, there's the flags, there's all this pattern here. First thing that you should have an idea about. This is where you got into your double bottom. This is how you should be making your targets, yeah, and all that. So ideally, the work for you is to make your life easier. You know, if I say this, this is supposed to happen. If I say this, this is what's supposed to happen. Today was talked about patterns and how you can go about it. Looking for something. I want to pop up my own practical PDF. I want to see if we can get actually something online that will assist or is can be used to assist people. This is a book. We've downloaded it online. Yeah, identifying chart patterns with technical analysis. I won't talk about risk management. I'll just go through directly to chart patterns. So as you can see, there's so many filters on what you get to expect in the market and all that. This is what they're calling the breakout when it goes above what was happening. Yeah, trend line breakout. Sometimes it usually happen fast. I don't know if it happened. Let me see. USD. Mhm. As you can see, our examples here. Okay, but this one is not. What can I say? This one is not really per se a triangle or anything of the sort, as what we saw everywhere else. You can see, this one, this is called as a triangle. Yeah. Can we make this one look like a triangle? Yeah, we can. Take this one here and bring it over here. So we had this happen. Yeah, you can see this is a triangle. Let's go to a lower time. Oh my days. Yeah, what we have. So how would you have gotten into such kind of a trade? No, this way the price actually broke. It went, it went up. Let's go to a even lower time frame. Yeah, I was trying to counter trend, but failed miserably. Miserably. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to make this as short as possible so that we can see what's in on the chart. As you can see, this is legendary place that I was telling you about. Yeah, was it? Yeah, it's this one because there's this and there's also this. As you can see, price was busy trying to go up. Oh my, busy trying to go up, 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 and no, this is not. This is not this. Did. Let's use this as an example, right? It does look like a triangle now. Oh yeah, I can't. It does look like a triangle now. As you can see from over here, price actually broke out. Yeah, and anyone who's been waiting for confirmation might have said, let me wait, it'll come back so I can take an. So when you enter over here, you completely get destroyed. Yeah, then it destroys you. You think it's in a downtrend, yeah, but no. So you're confused. You can see it's still in an uptrend, but you can see there's the entry, there's stop loss that I did. You get till here, you take your money and run. So ideally, the chart patterns to know how and where they work for you to become profitable in or trading them in a so-called way or anything of the sort. Yeah, because if you check this out, yeah, if you had actually said this is what you're going to use as a this one that I had marked and got destroyed, but you said I'll be using this as my pattern, as my triangle, this one over here. You could have gotten really good over here. Chart patterns and all that work. You just have to know how to use them. You don't need to complicate yourself saying blah blah blah. Yes, there's talks about ICT and all that. It works. I'll show you how it works. I'll show you how everything works. Firstly, you have to know that there's nothing new in the forex market. Nothing, everything works hand in hand with each other. Okay, let's look for something else. Let's look for something else. What can I tell you? Oh, let me go to the daily time frame. Before gold started making high highs after high highs and killing people in the market, yeah? I'll take you back a couple of years back. So on this, let's use the tools that are available to us by TradingView. Wait, price range. Hey, don't I really use this stuff? Oh, this one is where the patterns are. There are these things that help you like align the patterns. Yeah? So I want you to see this, yeah. And remember, yeah, while making these things or drawing these things, you need not be, how can I say this, stuck up, yeah, because ideally, this is somewhat like head and shoulder. I'm trying to show you in a way. So ideally, what's happening here, but I want you to see this. Yeah? Oh my days, put this. Okay, let me just do this. Make life simple. simple, simpler, polar, this one left, head, right. You can see this, you're supposed to be having this like this for you to know it's a head, this is a shoulder. Yeah, if you pay attention to all this, yeah, you get to realize something. Markets are not as precise as the patterns, because if you are rigid, you find yourself, oh, this is how I think the head and shoulder is supposed to look like. Then you find you start struggling on how how am I going to get my head and shoulder and all that. Yeah. So you just do this to make your life much easier. There's the head and shoulder pattern that was formed, and after it was formed, as you can see, price came and tested. This was your first chance to get in. Then it went up, came and tested again. This level here, this level here. Then it came and tested the final time. Then it rallied. But if you got in a good buy here and held it till date, you would be a very rich man. A very rich man. This is a lot of people. We talk about people. So that's a head and shoulder. You need to like learn to look at the patterns and see them as they unfold, because they can happen in various ways. I don't know. Anyways, after you've learned to identify the head and shoulders and how to get in trade, yeah, they'll tell you about double top. Yeah, let me give you a good example. Let's go to the monthly, then put the line. So this is a double top. This is a double top, not what and what. You can see price went down, up, then dip. You could have entered the first time here, took your money, then it came back, confirmed that it was a double top, then it dipped again. That was the point of you making money. I'm just doing this to show you that these things work. Currently, I don't trade using chart patterns, but I kid you not, everything that you think doesn't work, or you're doubting yourself if you're using it, works. It's just a matter of you working it. It doesn't take a lot. You don't usually take profits a lot of times, but once you start taking that profit, you're doing really well. So that was anyways, I can talk about the falling wedge, I can talk about all of that. The main aim for this video is for you guys to get a grasp on this stuff about trading works. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video.